Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's and comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. There's also dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed automatic gearbox. It's done under 22,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.